How to fix ChatGPT error that says something went wrong. So the first thing you can do if you are on a browser is try to perform a hard refresh by holding down Control Shift and pressing R, and this should do a hard refresh. Now you should check if that solves the problem for you. If it still doesn't, next what you can do is open up the browser settings from the top right side here, click on Settings, and then you want to go to Privacy and Security from the left side panel. Now you want to click on Delete Browsing Data, and for the period you want to select All Time and make sure to check cookies and other site data and cached images and files, at least these two selected, and then click on Delete Data, and this will delete all the cached data. Also make sure if you have any VPNs enabled, whether on your browser or on your computer or device, make sure to turn them off temporarily. And then you want to go to the Extensions tab and make sure to temporarily disable all the extensions that you might have installed. And once everything is done, you can close this and open up a new tab and go to ChatGPT again. And this should solve the problem. Now, if you are on a mobile device, you want to basically clear the application cache. So for example, if you are on Android, you can open up the settings and search for apps. And this should bring up the apps list if you click on apps here. Now in the search bar, you want to type ChatGPT, and once you find the app, you can click on it and scroll all the way down. Now you should find a clear data button on the bottom right side. Click on it and then click on clear cache or clear all data if you want to clear all the data. And then just restart the app, and that should solve the problem for you. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.